welcome to all. Today I talk about the topic plants. Do you know plants? Do you see plants? Plants is which color? Plants is green color. Okay, plants is important for us because plants gives us food and plants give shelter to birds. Okay, now we go to see the parts of your plant. Listen here, all of you see the bow. This is part of your plant. Okay, what are the parts is the plants? Flower, leaf, bud, stem, fruit, root. These all are the parts of the plants. Now we go to dividing part of the plants. Plants has divided into two groups. First one root system, second one shoot system. What is root system? The plants grow under the soil is called root system. What is it? Plants grow under the soil is called root system. What are the example of root system? Root only the root system. Okay, next we go to see the shoot system. Okay, what is shoot system? The plants grow above the soil. What is it? The plants grow above the soil is called shoot system. The shoot system is visible part of the plant. Okay. What are the parts are shoot system? Flower, leaf, bud and stem and fruits and seeds. These all parts called shoot system. Okay. Next we go to see the types of root. What is it? Types of root. Roots divided into two types. What is it? Two types. First one taproot, second one fibrous root. First one we can see the taproot. The taproot is one thick main root is there. After that smaller side roots grow the main root. This totally deep into the soil. Okay, this main root is very strong. Okay, example for the taproot, carrot and turnip. Okay, next we go to see the fibrous root. Fibrous root means lot of smaller side roots raised from the stem. This totally deep into the soil. Example onion and grass. Okay, two types of root. We can see the two types of root, taproot and fibrous root. Next we go to see the functions of the root. What are the functions of the root? First one, root absorb the water and minerals from the soil. These water and minerals send it to the stem and stem conduct to the other parts of the plants. Okay, next, root protect the plants. Root protect the plants. Some underground root store the food. Example, turnip. Next we go to see the another part of the plant. What is it? Leaf. Leaf is green in color. Leaf is called the kitchen or food factory of the plant. Why we called kitchen of the plants? Leaves you prepared the leaves have one pigment is there. That pigment called chlorophyll. That chlorophyll give the green color to the leaves. So that all plants use the leaves to prepare the food. That food name is starch. Plants use the leaves, air, sunlight and water and prepare the food. This process called photosynthesis. Due to this reason, leaves called the food factory of the plant. Okay, you all of you see the picture. This is the structure of the leaf. Okay, every leaf have one flat and broad body is there. That is called leaf blade. Okay, leaves have center vein is there. That is called main vein. After side smaller side veins is there. Okay, next, what are the functions of the leaf? Leaves help to the plants use the leaves prepare the food. Okay, next we go to see the stem. Another part of the plant is stem. Stem is the most important food part. What is it? Stem. This is stem. Stem is the most important food system because stem support to the plant. Stem support to the plant. Okay, stem support to the branches and leaves and other parts of the plants. Okay, some plants have soft and thin stem. Example, coriander and money plant. Okay. Some plants have thick and hard stem. That plants have example called neem and banyan tree. Okay. So what are the functions of the stem? Stem uh, absorb the water and mineral from the root and conduct to the other parts of the plants. Okay. Stem is support to the plant. That reason plants stand upright. Okay. Some underground stem store food. Example, ginger and turmeric. Okay. Next we go to see the another part of the plant is flower. What is it? Flower. Flowers is the most beautiful part of the plant. Flower has different color, shape and size. Okay. All buds change into flowers. Flowers become change into fruits. Okay. Uh, next we go to see the another part is fruit. Okay. Fruit is, we all are like fruits. Okay. Fruits is most important for our food system. Okay. For some plants have only one fruit. Some plants have some fruits have only one seed. Example, mango and peach. Some plants have many seeds. What is it? Example, papaya and watermelon. Okay. So, fruits inside seed. Okay. Seed grow to new plants. Okay. Seed help to the germination of the plants. Okay. Thank you to all. I think all of you understand this topic. Thank you to all.